Armor activated.
Hey riders! In this video, we will show you how to reboot your C60, perform a pairing reset, and do a factory reset. First, let's see how to reboot the device. To reboot your C60, press all three buttons on the 3-button module at the same time, and then release them. The LED will blink, and the device will reboot.
Blue Armor activated. Battery full.
Next, let's do a pairing reset. A pairing reset clears the Bluetooth pairing history stored on the C60. To do this, press and hold the middle button and the left button together for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the C60 will produce a beep sound and disconnect from any devices it is currently connected to and erase all the pairing history on the device.
Primary disconnected.
Now, let's see how to perform a factory reset on the C60. A factory reset restores the device to its original factory settings. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the left and right buttons, that's the volume down and volume up buttons, together for 10 seconds. As soon as you start holding the buttons, a white LED will turn on. After about 10 seconds, the device will produce a beep sound, and the white LED will blink once. The C60 will then reboot and automatically enter primary pairing mode.
Blue Armor activated. Battery full. Primary pairing.
And that's it. Now you know how to reboot your C60, clear pairing history, and perform a factory reset whenever needed.